Are you ready to make this your best herb growing year ever? If you've struggled to keep your herbs alive in the past, just want a little bit more confidence in knowing when and how to pick and prune your herbs, and want a ton of tasty recipes and ideas for how to use those herbs, that's what my latest deep dive is all about. Let's dive right in with tips for going shopping for herbs. Go in with a plan. There are so many herbs, you're going to be overwhelmed, and having a sense of what you're going to do with your herbs will definitely be helpful. Do you want classic cooking herbs like thyme and oregano, parsley, basil? Are you looking for herbs to look pretty or to fill a particular space? Or are you looking for beverage herbs? Then by all means, look for all the mints, lemongrass, lemon verbena, and all the lemon herbs. And most importantly, especially if you're new to herb growing, go somewhere where they know what they're talking about. For example, I went to a grocery store and got this pitiful example of potted parsley. There's about 50 parsley plants in here. They're spindly, they're weak, and their roots are going to be weak too. This is going to get you off to a bad start. What you want instead is 2, maybe 3 plants per pot, where you can separate them and you know they're strong, sturdy, and the roots will be strong and sturdy too. That's the benefit of going to a place that knows about herbs. Follow for more great tips and information about my latest book, From Garden to Table, Cooking with Homegrown Herbs.